welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Let's go get our coffee. Today's mug, it's the Keep Going Gemini mug. How many of you are Geminis? Smells good. And add a straw. Today's agenda. We need to edit yesterday's Vlogmas. Then we need to clean up the disaster. Our room, we need to film. TGIF, happy Friday. Seriously, where has the day gone? And I didn't even talk to you guys the whole day. Literally at home the whole time I was working. I have some videos that were due. I was supposed to step out of the house and that didn't even happen. So here we are, 8:30. Something did arrive today from Amazon. I wanted to share it with you guys. I have to say I was actually pretty surprised with it. So it is this really cute beanie. I've been looking for a beanie with the double pom-pom. I'm actually gonna link it down below. If you guys are interested. It does come in a couple of different colors. I am gonna purchase tonight the pink because I wanted to see the quality of this first before purchasing another one. It's the inside. Oh my gosh, is this you guys gonna be able to see that? You guys know the bear jackets that are very on trend right now? It feels like that and it is thick. It's not the type where it's gonna make your head feel like a pumpkin head, but it's so comfortable and it's so cute, right? The reason why I ended up purchasing this is because we are gonna be heading out to Six Flags Magic Mountain for Holiday in the Park. Whenever you go to Six Flags during the fall winter time, it's cold. If you're on a roller coaster and you're going like 70 miles an hour, that wind is gonna be so freaking cold. Your hands are gonna freeze up, your head's gonna freeze up. You need to make sure you really layer because when you're going that fast on a roller coaster, it is cold. So I really wanna be prepared. I'm gonna go eat dinner. The hubs is taking a nap. He just got home from work a little while ago. For tonight's dinner, I'm having Thai salad with some pieces of steak mixed in and some water. So this is the mess going on right now. We have got to clean this up. All right, Mom, so which of these do you want to try out? Day Dew with lavender oil and mica. Lightweight moisturizer, nourishes, protects, and gives you a youthful glow.
That one. This is pink. What's this?
Pink Champagne Glow. And then this one is called Gilded Bear Glow.
This one.
The pink one?
Mm-hmm. It's a mirror.
Yeah.
I like this mirror.
You like the mirror? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so then you take those. You take those and I'll take these two.
Thank you so much, Pixie Beauty.
Alright you guys, so it is that time again for us to open another one of the 24 days of tea from David's Tea. And we are on day number 7. Yes, I did rip out my lashes earlier. I took them out earlier when I was just laying down in bed, and sometimes, you know, after you've been wearing it for a while, it feels just really good to take them off. Even though those lashes are really comfortable because they are from Mosquito, but I mean, there's nothing like more freeing than taking off your lashes and having your real ones on. Here is day number 7's box. Let's see what is in here. So day number 7, we have s'mores chai. This is a good one. I remember this from last year. Medium caffeine, and you steep this between 4 to 5 minutes. Honestly believe that this tea steeper, even though I did have a rocky beginning with this because it wouldn't close, now it does. It closes properly. This is like the main reason why I feel like these teas this year are tasting so much better, because it's steeping properly now. Ooh, this smells like chocolate and mint. There is our perfect spoonful right into this tea steeper. We are gonna steep this. S'mores chai, it's rich, toasty, and chocolatey. Ingredients are Pu'era tea, I think that's how you pronounce it. Brittle pieces, sugar hazelnut, cinnamon, sugar, marshmallow. This contains 5 calories. Let's go ahead and open one of the 24 chocolate days till Christmas from Trader Joe's. Number 7 is right up here with Venezuela. Let's open this. Oh, this is a cute one. And it is a little stocking. Our tea is ready. Let's take this out. Oh, it's spilling. Can you please get me a napkin? Please, I put too much water. Ooh, this smells good. Ooh, if you like mint chocolate chip, you're gonna love this. Tonight I've had like a craving for something sweet, and this is perfect. So here's our little chocolate boot. Perfect combination. I always crave for like sweets, but I definitely try to curb that because I have a really big sweet tooth. I could go ham on like sweets, on cookies, cupcakes, macarons, ice cream, donuts, depending on what kind of donut it is, because if it's too sweet, I can only eat like half of one. But typically cookies, ice cream, macarons, you got me there. I'm gonna finish all this tea and then we're gonna have an avocado shake. I know we're technically already on day number 7 of Vlogmas, but kind of thought it would be great if we had some sort of topic to talk about each time we have some tea together. So please comment down below any topics you guys would like me to talk about, and I will screenshot your comment and then we will talk about your topic for that day. I just thought it would be kind of fun and different if we have like a subject to kind of chat about during our tea time. So that's kind of like the tea for tonight. Tea for you for tonight. Did you guys hear that? He said he has some tea for me tonight. Anyway, please comment down below. I would really appreciate it. And I thought it'd be just kind of fun for us to kind of chat during our tea time. The hubs made a delicious avocado shake because I already pounded my tea. Let's go ahead and hang up day number 7 right up there in that little area. So here's our Christmas tree. So before I end the vlog, I wanted to give a huge shout out and well wishes to Cindy. I hope you are recovering quickly from your knee surgery. Also, I wanted to share with you guys a picture that she had messaged me or she had DM'd me on Instagram because we were chatting in the comment area. She always wanted a white Christmas tree since that's what we have downstairs in the living room, and I had just told her that, you know, you should get a small little white Christmas tree and decorate it on your own. This is her own white Christmas tree with her ornaments, and this is in her room. So thank you so much, Cindy, for sharing. I had asked her permission if it was okay if I shared the picture with you guys. Again, much love and well wishes to you. That is it for Vlogmas day 7. Don't forget to smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it, and also if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 8.